Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Irene here. How you doing? How you guys doing? Today I've got a new hair look, a little bit of a wave going on. Let's see how it's gonna last. But I'm coming at you today with a makeup tutorial. So let's go, let's start, and I hope you enjoy it. Guys, sorry, I need to put this ugly clip in my hair because it's annoying me. All right, let's start. First thing first, I already did my skincare, but I'm gonna add a little bit of moisturizer. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This is very hydrating and I love it under makeup. It just makes your foundation super natural looking. And it melts into the skin very good. Alright guys, sorry, I'm back with some brows on because lately they are giving me anxiety. Honestly, they do whatever they want anyway. So I don't want to film this process today anyway. So as a foundation today, I'm gonna use the Fix Fluid by MAC. I'm using this shade NC15, and as a brush I'm gonna use a Morphe one. I don't know what number is this one, but it's a small like angled kabuki brush. It's very dense and it's perfect for foundation. I know this foundation is very full coverage, but I'm not gonna apply a lot. And I'm gonna spread it out very well. This MAC foundation is good on a lot of different skin types. And the thing that I love about it, it doesn't really need a lot of powder because it sets itself amazingly. So that's why I like to do foundation first sometimes, especially when I use this one, because I know it's gonna set in the meantime that I'm doing my eye or something else, and when I come back to it, I actually don't need that much powder. When I'm happy with my foundation, I'm gonna go in with concealer. Today I'm using the Rodial concealer in shade Aspen number 1. Let's move directly to the eye. I'm gonna use the Rodial Purple Haze palette. I like this. It has the perfect neutral shade, but also a pop of color that is amazing, this purple shade. So I'm gonna start with the lighter shade, the cream white shade, with a big brush, big fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna set my eyelid, just a wash all over, up to the brow bone. With a pen brush, I'm gonna use this warm brown color. I'm applying it close to my lash line, like so. And even in the lower lash line. And taking back the fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend the color. Now I'm taking the darker brown with the same pen brush, and I'm just gonna follow what I already did, but I'm gonna stay a little bit more in the outer corner of my eye. And again, with the fluffy brush, I'm going to blend everything. Now Now to continue, I'm gonna darken this even more, and I'm gonna use the black shade. I'm using a little precise brush, and make sure you tap out the excess. And I'm just gonna kind of line my eye like I would do with an eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna do the same in my lower lash line. And now again with the fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend everything. I'm taking now the gold shade and applying it in my inner corner. Wow, this gold is very dark. I don't like this. Wait. I've got the solution. So the solution will be my Charlotte Tilbury palette. The highlighter. This is a beautiful icy gold. And I'm just gonna go on top of what I just did. Yeah, that's better. Now to finish off the eye makeup, I'm gonna apply mascara and of course curl my lashes first. Okay guys, eye makeup is done, it's complete, mascara is on, and now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna start with this Smashbox. This is a stick foundation. It does have a foundation on one end and a contour shade on the other. I really do like this cream contour shade. So I'm just going to apply directly on my cheekbones, like this, some dots. With the foundation brush I used before, I'm going to blend it in. Now with a big fluffy brush, I'm applying a little bit of powder. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Light Plus. With the same fluffy brush, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Illuminating Bronzing Powder. This is in the shade Aruba. I'm going to apply this on top of my contour shade. This is a bronzy powder, but it does have some gold shimmer in it, so it's very nice. I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter in the Film Star Bronze and Glow, and that is it. The base is complete. Alright guys, it's time for the lips, a final step. I'm starting off with this Kiko lip pencil in the shade 706 and outlining my lips. So I'm going to apply now this MAC lipstick in the shade E for Effortless. Sorry. So guys, this is the finished look. I am in love with the red lips, and I think the eye makeup is super easy, super effective at the same time. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you very soon.